Thanks for watching. I'm Prerna Agarwal, Technical Product Owner for The Guardian. Today we'll be giving you Guardian update of Sprint 62 that lasted from April 1st to April 12th. So just a quick overview of the agenda. We'll be looking at the roadmap. We'll be also talking about the issues that we tackled in Sprint 62. Then we'll be giving you a short demo on Sprint 62. Then we'll be also talking ahead of week of April 15th, which is Sprint 63. We'll also be talking about the issues that we'll be tackling in Sprint 63. We'll also be talking about the upcoming releases, and we'll be giving you some of the ways that you can either submit bugs or policy requests through various different channels. So just a quick overview of the Guardian roadmap. We are working on several important milestones for this roadmap phase. One is we are working on the Fireblocks raw signing integration. We are working on the DLT to address flawed methodologies article. We are also working on the live project data migration across policies, across diff Guardian instances. Then we are also working on the global environmental Guardian data search, which is the indexer component for Hedera and IPFS. We are working on the development of gold standard methodology for methane and emission reduction by adjusted water. We are also working on the full project data comparison as produced or captured by policies. So talking about Sprint 62. So in Sprint 62, we committed to 46 story points and we delivered 21 story points, which includes some of the major things, which is 3446, which is changing tools while importing the policy. We did update some of the corrections of the redirection links in our README file. We did also completed our development of ACM0001 policy, and we also created a new enhancement or addition to our GitHub repo, which is by adding a hackathon folder in our methodology library, which is 3398. Now let's look at Sprint 62 demo. So the first ticket what we'll be looking at is changing tools while importing the policy. Currently the policies already have tools reference, but they cannot be changed and have to be redeveloped from scratch to do it. So in order to solve this, what we have done is now we have implemented a feature which would allow you to actually change the tool references for the existing policies. So when you try to import the policy, you will get this section where you can actually see already referenced tools, but then you can also change by adding the respective IPFS timestamp, and then it will automatically change all the schemas and the configuration automatically when you change the tools and click on import. So this will do all the changes. In addition to this, we have also, in order to implement this, we have actually created the new APIs, which is importing tool from a zip file and importing tool from a zip file asynchronously. If you are using an asynchronous APIs. To get more information, you can visit our documentation, which is at docs.hedera.com. So the second thing what we'll be looking at is development of ACM0001 flaring or use of landfill gas, which is 2874. So the primary objective of ACM0001 is to provide a structured approach for mitigating greenhouse gas emissions through the capture and utilization of flaring of landfill gas. This policy is also applicable to a variety of projects, including the installation of new LFG capture systems in existing or new solid waste sites where no such system existing prior, and investments into existing LFG capture systems to increase the recovery rate or change the use of the captured LFG. In order to solve this, what we have done is we have developed the ACM0001 policy. To play around with this policy, you need to go to our methodology library. Under that, you have a CDM folder. In that, you have CDM ACM0001 folder. In that, we have a schema design of this particular methodology. We have a complete README file where you can actually look at what are the tools reference, what are the introduction, how can we use this policy. In addition to that, you also have a policy file, which is ACM0001.policy, which you can actually download from this GitHub repo, and then you can import it to Guardian using API or using our UI. So that was a demo on Sprint 62. Now looking ahead of week of April 15th, which is Sprint 63. Currently, we are committing to 46 story points, which includes many major milestones, which is 1314, Fireblocks raw signing integration, global indexer ticket, which is 2629. And we are also working on the gold standard methodology for rice cultivation, which is 2921. 3176, which is a live project data comparison or live project data migration. And also we are working on the CDM policy of AMS 1A development. Talking about the upcoming releases, our last release was on Friday, March 29, 2024. Next release will be on Tuesday, April 30th, 2024. So there are multiple ways to reach out to us. You can reach out to us on GitHub. You can submit policy requests, enhancements, or if you find some bugs, please go ahead and submit those bugs with us so that we can get our team on it. Also, if you haven't joined our Discord, please join our conversation at hedera.com/Discord. And when you get there, search for sustainability channel, or feel free to reach out to us directly if you have any policy requests by emailing us at info@envisionblockchain.com or visiting through our website, which is www.envisionblockchain.com. Thank you. Have a great day.